Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is definitely going to be a fun one. As we all may know, Coachella is approaching. I think it's like April 12th-ish. It's April 5th right now. So I'm trying to get this filmed and uploaded before the actual event. So the whole point of this video is, last minute easy Coachella outfits if you are going. I'm not going because I'm on the other side of the country and I don't have like thousands of dollars to pay for a ticket, but I would love to go one day. So I had a lot of fun with this, and I guess I just wanted to show you guys like how easy it is to make outfits just from what you have in your closet. It's one of my favorite things to do. I mean, I am such a shopping girl, like it's insane. My closet is ridiculous actually, but I came up with a lot of fun outfits and I cannot wait to show you guys. So the first outfit starts off with this gorgeous like tiger silky skirt. It's very flowy and like crazily soft, but I mean it's easy breezy, it's a statement, and then you can just pair something simple with it. This is from H&M. I just got it. It was like $50, which is fine, but I felt like that was kind of, pricey for H&M. So then I just paired it with a basic black bodysuit. I just got this. I got it from a boutique called fab'rik. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but they have online as well. And then I just paired it with this basic black wide brim hat. I feel like this was definitely a trend a few years ago, and I still have mine, and it's, wide brim, so the sun won't kill your skin. And then I just did basic black boots with it. I got these from Topshop maybe about a year ago. I'm pretty sure this is real leather. Whatever, take it as you will. But these were like $160 and I got them for $30. So I was like, yes, I had my eye on these forever. I don't know. Boots are always in my opinion, and who doesn't have, basic black boots in their closet? Next outfit is definitely a personal favorite of mine. So I took this shirt that I just got at Target. Look at how cute this is. It's a men's small, but I got this at Target for $12. Such a Target girl. But it's like such a statement, and I actually do love the Rolling Stones. And it's a music festival, so you can't go wrong with like a good band tee. And then I just took these basic denim shorts that I also got at fab'rik, and the belt is from Zara. I wear it literally all the time. But I just kind of, kept it simple because the shirt is so loud, and then I like accessorized a lot. And then to add like a pop, obviously animal print is huge right now, and I feel like a lot of people own animal print. So I just took these boots that I got from Zara. Yes, I got them in Vegas for my 21st birthday. They're my sweet little babies. But it kind of plays up on that pattern that's like on the shirt of the Rolling Stones tee. So I thought these were super, super cute to go with it. And then I just took this bag that I just got also from fab'rik. I'm obsessed with fab'rik. If you've never heard of them, definitely check them out. It's spelled F-A-B''RIK. I love them. But this is just a cute little bag. It says It Bag, and I just love like the wicker of it, and then obviously the boldness of the print. And then what I did was I just paired it with like some basic gold hoops. Everyone has gold jewelry. And then one of my favorite pair of key sunglasses. This is the style Hidden Hills. I believe this was like the Kylie Jenner collab. I'm not really sure, but they're just like huge and oversized, and I'm so obsessed with them. Makes you look like a complete boss babe. The next outfit is definitely another favorite. I got this from fab'rik. Love them. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just love fab'rik. But it's this snakeskin dress that's really flowy and fluttery. I love, love, love the neckline of it. And it just comes down into kind of a split. I don't know if you can see that, but it has like ruffles on the bottom. It's so pretty. It's so light. It's really soft. And then I just paired these cute little sandals that I got from Target. It's by A New Day. Target's really stepping up their game. I'm like obsessed with going there. And then I just took this tan wide brim hat, again, to keep the sun out of your face, protect your skin, ladies and gentlemen. And then I thought, you know, with the gold jewelry and the gold buckle, you know, the tan was just a nice touch. It's very boho. And then this last outfit, I just started with this cute little crop top. Got it from fab'rik. I'm just obsessed with like the silver hardware and the buckles. I feel like chains and buckles and things like that are super in right now. So if you have a lot of chains, I would definitely suggest to like layer them on because it's such a cool look. But I just did like silver jewelry with this. And then I'm such a fan of mom jeans. So I recently got these again from fab'rik because I owned a pair of mom jeans and then I lost a lot of weight, and like I used to live in them and I missed them so much, so I had to get a different pair, and I again live in these and I'm just so obsessed. But I think it kind of like contrasted, you know, the harsh black and the harsh metals well with kind of this looser fit of denim. And then I just paired it with, you know, a basic Van. I also live in these and they're very comfortable. Also for a bag, I got this from Target as well. It comes with a like crossbody strap so you don't have to carry it around all day. But again, playing up with like the with the silver metals, I just think it's a nice touch. And then I did silver hoops and I paired this pretty little necklace that I think I got from Nordstrom. I'm not sure of the brand. And then lastly, these statement glasses. They look Gucci, I know. And I have a Gucci ring and I'm obsessed with it, but these are not real Gucci. I actually got these from Target as well. They are the Wild Fable brand and they were literally like $10 and they are a perfect Gucci dupe. So thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Leave a comment if you're going to Coachella, or just tell me which outfit was your favorite. Have so much fun if you're going to Coachella, and I hope this video gave you a little bit of inspo if you don't have your outfits yet and are last minute like me. I will go ahead and try to leave as many links to the items that I showed in this video as I can find. And until next time, stay fabulous, and I will see you in my next video because I have a lot of good content planned. Bye.